The H1 heading tag is the heading of your web page, much like the heading of a newspaper article. When someone enters your website, they notice the heading before reading the content on the page. Search engine crawlers function the same way. When a search engine crawls a web page, its first action is to attempt to understand what the page is about, and it does this by reading the heading tag first. To create an H1 tag in Wix, go to Add, Text, Title. Choose the title option. Now add your heading to the top of your home page. You will want to make sure the font size is larger than 30. If size 30 is too large, remember you can always resize the text box smaller via the handles around the edges. When writing your header, you will want to use the same keyword in your site title. If you just write your company name out, people will have to search specifically for your company name instead of for your general services. For example, in my site, I will delete Hair by Ala, and I will add in Hairstylist, Los Angeles as my H1 tag. Someone looking for my service is more likely to search for a hairstylist in Los Angeles rather than my business name. Also, add in your location if you are a local business. Then you can add your company name as a paragraph text. Paragraph text will never show up as a header tag, no matter what font or size. So you can use this text box to add the rest of the content to your site. When users see your site, they should easily be able to understand what your web page is about, and it should entice them to read more. Now you should only have one H1 heading per web page. If you created a site using one master page and several pages, search engines will read your entire Wix website as one page. This means that you can only have one H1 heading tag within your website as a whole, and not on each separate page. If you are using multiple master pages in your site, search engines will read each of your master pages separately. This means you can place one H1 heading tag on each of your master pages. But still remember, the most important H1 heading tag is on your home page. Now, go ahead and give it a try on your own. And don't forget to save.